unicorns, welcome to the Z World. In this video, I'm gonna create the halo eye makeup look. So let's play with the colors. I've already applied the foundation off camera. So I'm starting with the eyebrow hair. I'm drawing the eyebrow hair with the black eyebrow pencil. I am filling in the eyebrow with the black eyeshadow. You can use any other eyebrow product that you like to fill in your eyebrows. Now I am drawing the eye shape with the white eye pencil, filling the white part of the eye with this pencil but the eyelids, waterline and the inner corner with the pink pencil, white eyeshadow on top of the areas where I applied the white pencil, filling it in with the brown eyeshadow. And now outlining it with the black eyeshadow and the upper line as well. And then the lower lash line. For this halo eye look, I am using the flash colors. You can use the powdered ones. It's completely up to you. I'm using this blue color on the outer corner, outer crease and the outer V section. And then I will fill it in. But I will not touch the middle section of the lid. For the inner lid, I am using the green. I'm applying it onto the crease and then blending it inwards. Blend these two shades beautifully together. With the help of a Q-tip, I am removing the paint from the middle section of the eye. Take some makeup remover onto the Q-tip and then remove the paint or the eyeshadow. This is the area where we will apply the lightest shade. I am using yellow for this halo eye makeup look. I am using a small brush to apply the yellow paint. And on the lower lash line as well. On the outer lower lash line, apply the blue color and connect these two together. For the inner lower lash line, apply the green. I'm applying golden glitter on top of the yellow. And on the arch and inner corner as well. It's time for the eyelashes. I am drawing the eyelashes, but you can use the fake eyelashes onto your actual eye. If not, then apply a thick coat of mascara and your halo eye look is complete. But mine eye is not complete, so give me a second. I have to give this eye a glassy look. For that glassy effect, I am applying a white paint. Oh no, I messed up. Give me a second, I'll be back by correcting this mistake. Here you have it. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification next to it. Follow me on my socials for more crazy eye looks and share this video with your friends and everyone else. See you next time next week on Thursday. Thanks for watching.